Dallas, Texas, is a city known for its vibrant culture, bustling economy, and diverse architecture. However, living in Dallas also means dealing with a unique climate that significantly influences many home improvement decisions, especially window replacement. The city experiences scorching summers, occasional winter freezes, and unpredictable storms, all of which should be considered when choosing windows for your home. The Dallas climate. A quick overview. Dallas weather is characterized by hot, humid summers with temperatures often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit, mild winters with occasional freezing temperatures, and frequent severe storms in the spring and fall. This range of weather conditions requires windows that can withstand temperature extremes, resist storm damage, and improve energy efficiency. When replacing windows, understanding how Dallas climate impacts your home can help you make informed decisions that save money, enhance comfort, and protect your property. Energy efficiency. Beating the heat. The intense heat of Dallas summers means your air conditioning system works overtime to keep your home cool. Inefficient windows can significantly increase your energy bills by allowing heat to enter and cool air to escape. Choosing energy-efficient windows is crucial for combating Dallas' sweltering heat. Look for windows with low emissivity coatings, which reflect infrared heat and reduce the amount of heat entering your home without blocking natural light. Double or triple pane windows filled with argon or krypton gas provide an added layer of insulation. These options can dramatically improve your home's thermal performance, keeping it cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Durability. Weathering the storm. Dallas is no stranger to severe weather, including thunderstorms, hail, and even tornadoes. Your windows must be durable enough to withstand these conditions. Standard glass might not hold up during a hailstorm, leaving your home vulnerable to damage. Consider installing impact-resistant windows that use laminated glass designed to resist shattering. These windows not only provide extra protection during storms but also enhance security by making it harder for intruders to break into your home. Another feature to look for is reinforced frames made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad wood, which resist warping and maintain structural integrity during extreme weather events. Moisture and humidity control. Dallas' humid climate, particularly during the summer, can lead to condensation buildup on windows, which may cause mold, mildew, or even structural damage to your home. Choosing windows with proper weather stripping and insulated glass can minimize condensation problems. Materials matter here, too. Opt for vinyl or fiberglass frames, which are less prone to moisture absorption and warping compared to traditional wood frames. For a more luxurious look, you can still choose wood but ensure it's treated and sealed to resist moisture. Style and functionality. Adapting to seasonal changes. The versatility of Dallas weather means your windows should offer year-round comfort and functionality. Windows that are easy to open can help you take advantage of cooler breezes during spring and fall while locking securely when temperatures climb. Popular choices in Dallas include double-hung windows, which offer excellent ventilation and are easy to clean. Casement windows, which seal tightly and provide superior energy efficiency. Sliding windows, ideal for contemporary designs and effortless operation. UV protection. Shielding your interior. Dallas enjoys abundant sunshine, but those UV rays can cause furniture, flooring, and artwork to fade over time. To protect your interiors, choose windows with UV blocking coatings. These coatings filter out harmful rays without compromising natural light, ensuring your home remains bright and inviting while preserving your belongings. Local regulations and incentive. Another factor to consider is adherence to local building codes and the potential to benefit from energy efficiency incentives. Dallas has specific requirements for window performance in terms of wind resistance and energy efficiency. Check with your contractor to ensure your chosen windows meet these standards. Additionally, some energy-efficient windows may qualify for rebates or tax incentives. These programs can help offset the initial cost of high-quality window replacements, making them a more budget-friendly option in the long run. Conclusion. Invest wisely for Dallas weather. Replacing your windows in Dallas isn't just about aesthetics. It's about ensuring your home is equipped to handle the city's unique climate challenges. From energy efficiency and storm resistance to moisture control and UV protection, the right windows can enhance your comfort, lower your energy bills, and protect your home for years to come. Work with a local window expert who understands Dallas climate and can recommend solutions tailored to your needs. By choosing the right windows, you'll create a home that's not only beautiful but also resilient in the face of Texas weather extremes.